Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. If you've not seen my channel before, please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of 2-minute garden tips like this for 2021 to help you out in your garden. What's the biggest mistake people make when starting seeds indoors? And if this has happened to you before, you know how terrible it is. It's fungus gnats. When we get our starting mix is often peat based, and in there may not be fungus gnat adults flying around, but there's going to be eggs. Very often you hydrate this with your cold water. That's what you're supposed to do. You put your starting mix in your seed trays, the warm temperatures of the house, the lights, you get fungus gnats. They hatch and they wreak havoc. You can prevent this by doing one simple trick, and that's hydrating your starting mix with boiling water. This simple step goes a long way in preventing the worst problem that can affect your seed starts. So you really want to do this about 24-48 hours before you're going to start your seeds. This way, if it's too wet, it'll dry out, it'll be ready to go. You're better off putting in more boiling water than less. The whole key is just dump in the boiling water. If you're using a peat-based seed starting mix, there's a good chance you're rolling the dice for fungus gnat eggs. And just mix it through. Make sure it's all hydrated, gets nice and dark. This is about 12 quarts in here. It's going to vary, but like I said, when in doubt, more boiling water. This will save you the biggest headache and the biggest problem that can really affect your seed starts. Now, once you have it mixed through, it should look something like this. Take some foil. It's going to be a little hot, which is a good thing. Cover it up and just let that sit on there for a couple of hours. You can remove the foil later. This will get rid of the fungus gnats, and it will stop the biggest problem that really affects seed starting indoors. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have plenty of 2-minute videos to help you in your garden. Thanks for watching.